here again, next day. This is what I got yesterday at Walmart. I got, only takes 5 quarts. It's the right oil for it. I got a oil filter. I feel a little bit happier now. Now this thing is finally started. We even started it twice. Actually started like 3 times after that, and it just started like a champ. Oil filter. This is to lubricate those linkages for the shifter cable, and hopefully I'll be able to put it in park. I think it might already be in park, but you got the ATF plus 4. That's what this tank takes. This wasn't cheap. $9 for this. So I'm not gonna open this until I absolutely need it, because these, you leave them down like that after you open them, they pour out. I'm gonna try to just see if I can take a peek just to see if I can see it, because the oil thing is right there. So I'm thinking it's got to be right in this part right here. I don't know if I got the light on. The thing for the oil, yeah, I see it right there. The oil, the thing should be, there it is, right there. And the only way I'm gonna be able to get to that is I gotta jack this up. This is the lowest part on the front. So there's the oil filter, and that thing's, and that's where I get the oil out, that bolt right there. So I can't do nothing right now. Gotta wait to get the jack. Definitely get those air shocks. Alright, moving to the front now. I just raised it up like that far off the ground. That should do it. Make sure this thing is tight. It's locked in now. That's supporting more weight now, so I'm gonna just go jack this up a little bit more. And basically what I'm doing is trying to distribute the weight between this, which is holding more of the weight now, and that just, and that's kind of off now. I guess. Fucking sorry. This back over because it's sliding off. That's scary. This thing comes down, I'm dead. I'm dead. It's holding my life up, and it's holding my life up right there. I should put the third, I should put the second one up somewhere. So I guess we're gonna see how hard this is gonna be to get off. And here's this. So what we're gonna do first, I'm gonna get the oil out. I'm gonna get the filter right there. Figure out the size. I think it's like a 10mm or 13. Yeah, that's it, and it's oh, it's a 5/8. Oh wait, I didn't even get the cap open. Oh shoot.
You gotta get that cap open.
Shoot.
Or else it won't go down.
Yeah, I know. Good thing I've seen that before I did it.
Oh god.
Oh, that's black. Dark black.
Yeah. It's got crud in the bottom of it too, probably.
I don't see no crud yet, hopefully any.
You won't see that till after it all runs out.
Yeah. It didn't have that much in it either, so probably ain't that much coming out, is it?
Probably not. But just let it run until it stops dripping.
Yeah. Dang.
As long as it's going in there, just come on out for a few minutes.
Yeah. Did you get it tightened yet?
Yeah, I tightened my oil filter down.
Okay. Now. Fuck. I still got my light on my head. Oh yeah, it looks pretty clean now. Yeah, I think you got it now. Now I gotta try to get the filter off. Let's see how bad that is. Alright, I'm gonna get this off. Wait a second, this don't fit. Ah, great. Let me see if I can just do it by hand. Oh, no way. I was able to take it off with one hand. This is probably sideways, but guess what? I was able to take it off with one hand.
What?
I was able to take it off with one hand. And this is,
Oil filter?
yeah. I barely even turned it.
Yeah.
This wasn't the right size for it.
It wasn't?
Yeah, it's like too small, obviously.
Well, that's all right.
You got a bigger one?
No, I don't think so. Let me look.
Holy crap.
But all you gotta do is tighten it up by hand,
Yeah.
and then one more, you know.
My hand's gonna get filthy, but I think I got paper towels. Okay, here we go. Oh. Dang. It barely had anything in it. Wow. See the date. I don't know if this thing's got a date on it. I don't think it is. Ouch.
How many quarts is in there?
It's 5.
You sure it's only 5?
Yeah, they say 5 quarts. But we already poured.
Okay.
We poured some of it out.
Well, you gotta
in
figure, you gotta have some that goes into, you
yeah.
might as well put your phone down.
Yeah.
I'm gonna pump the brake up.
Yeah. I'm gonna pump the brakes first.
Yeah, I get in here. I'll pump the brakes.
I got a brake.
There's a brake pedal now.
It's not starting again.
Let it set for a second and then check the
Yeah.
oil.
Alright. Still see the smoke. At least you know it starts for sure. How many times you had to? You only tried to start. You only had to start it once, didn't you?
That's one thing I did. Just went.
Dang.
Boom, start right up. It don't
So-
take nothing.
So the exhaust leak's coming from the exhaust manifold.
Yeah.
So what I gotta get for that?
It's going. The exhaust manifold and the
Yeah.
tailpipe
Uh huh.
hooks up to it.
Mhm.
There's a gasket that goes in between there,
Oh, the gaskets.
and then you just put it up on there. I got
Okay.
a funny feeling you're gonna break the bolts when you.
Fuck.
Go take
So what
it
does
out.
that mean?
You'll end up replacing the exhaust manifold.
Oh, how much is that gonna freaking cost?
I don't know. We have to find that junkyard or something. Let me go.
Oh, ain't no way in heck I'm gonna find that
You
part.
know what? I'll say that again.
Yeah. But I see the gap right there where the pipe is. It's right here where my hand is. It's a big gap right there.
Yeah, that's the oil. That's the gas. The fuel. Where's it at? On the pipe?
It's right. I'll take a picture so you can see it. Alright. Oh yeah, I see a bolt. Oh yeah.
Bolts, but no nuts.
Yeah, I see a nut. Yep. Oh yeah, it's a nut on there, but I can tell that thing's gonna be seized. So I don't know how the other side
What
looks.
I'll
but-
do, I'll go up underneath there during the daytime,
Oh
so I
yeah,
can
that gap
look
is
at it.
fucking big.
and I'll see what we need.
I just did a video. You'll be able to see it a lot better now. Look how bad this thing is. So this right here rotted out so bad that you don't even see the other side of this. If I can get it, camera. See, look, this is loose, so we can just cut these bolts out. Then the gasket goes in there, and that's where the noise is coming from. That simple.